In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new table in Airtable. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a new table all set up and ready to go for your projects. Let's get started. Imagine yourself on the Airtable home screen, where vibrant and inviting options stretch before you like a palette of possibilities. Your journey begins by locating the Create button, which might reside at the top of the page, or perhaps just slightly off to the side. This is your starting point, the gateway to initiating the creation of your new base table, a blank canvas ready to capture the beautifully organized chaos of your ideas. As you click this button, you're presented with a world of options. Airtable offers various templates and pre-made tables that you can choose from, each designed to simplify the setup process. Yet for our purposes today, we're focusing on starting from scratch. This approach gives you complete freedom to design a base table that's perfectly tailored to your needs, keeping the process simple and manageable for learning. With a new table squarely on the horizon, it's time to give it life with a unique and recognizable name. This step is crucial for keeping your workspace organized, especially handy if you're juggling multiple projects. So, go ahead and click on the name field of your fresh base table. Type in something that captures the essence of the project this table will house. Is it for planning a new marketing campaign, managing event registrations, or perhaps tracking the progress of your reading list? Whatever it is, make sure the name resonates with its purpose. Now, to sprinkle a bit of personality and functionality, choose a color scheme. It might seem like just a splash of color at first glance, but these colors serve a dual purpose. Not only do they make your workspace more visually appealing, they also help in distinguishing between different projects with just a glance. Browse through the available color schemes cheerfully presented to you. Choose one that matches the theme of your table, or pick one that simply makes you smile every time you see it. And just like that, you've successfully added a new table in Airtable. See? It wasn't so daunting after all. With this new table, you're poised to delve deeper into the many functionalities Airtable offers, powerful tools waiting to help you organize and streamline your work processes further. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to keep honing those Airtable skills.